Hey, so some of you guys asked for a tutorial on how I made some of those pages that I shared in one of my past videos on Canva, and so I thought I would show you really quick how I did it. All right, so today let me show you a little bit about how I made this graphic. You can see that I have different text boxes. I just do that so that I can enable the spacing for everything. So let me just start a new page and I'll show you exactly how I did it. So as you can see, the first thing you might want to do is find your text. So you just come over to your toolbar over here, you click text. I just pick whatever one I want. And then you go ahead and you resize it to whatever you want and you put in your heading. So we had story up here. And then if you want to change what type of text it is, like what the font is, you can just come up here. And as you can see, here's some of the ones that I've used in the past, but you can go through and pick, until you have the one you want. You can also come up here and you can type in like thin or bold or cursive. You can see some of the things I've clicked before to kind of help you make your choice. Then I knew for this design that I wanted the water bottle to be up and down, so I saved that space. And then I just added in another text box and I had all of my directions, which you then can come up here and you can resize to whatever, size you want. If you don't want them to necessarily be bold, you can take that out. You can also, like I said, I wanted to save that space. So you can kind of like drag and move your text boxes wherever you want. Then the next thing I added was these boxes here, which are text boxes or lines. These are each just individual text boxes where I just did the same thing and I just typed them in. And then for the image, Canva has a lot of images. I usually go right up here to elements and I find and type in whatever I wanted. But in this case, they didn't have what I wanted, so I had to go to Google. I kind of typed in what I was looking for and you go to the image tab and then you just have to scroll and search until you find exactly what you want and something that's royalty free. And then when you find what you want, you can just copy and paste into Canva just like you can into other programs. You size as needed. And then when you're all finished, you just come up to share and you're going to download this design that you made, but instead of saving it as a PNG file, you're gonna wanna pick a PDF, and then you can choose however many pages are in your thing. You just click done, and then it saves your file as a PDF that you can pull out and print. I know this tutorial was super fast, but hopefully you get an idea as how I made it and the tools that I use, and if you have any questions, just ask.